we're going to be looking at some topics that we have found a little bit harder this year. Today we're going to be looking at increase and decrease numbers by giving percentage, and this will be using a calculator method to do this. You'll need a pen, pencil, you need a pen, paper, and a calculator to do this. Just a basic calculator is fine. And we'll go through some examples and you can have a go at some questions on this. So, a packet of crisps weighs 125 grams. It's increased by 23%. Find its new weight. The method we're going to be using for this isn't finding 23% and then adding it on. We're going to try and do it all in one calculation by using a multiplier. So if we have a look at example 1, increase 125 by 23%. So what we start off with is this 125, and we have there got 100%, because you always start with 100% of the value, and we're increasing it by 23%. So we're increasing it, so we're going to add on 23%. That is supposed to look like a 23, and that will equal 123%. Right then, so once you've got your 123%, obviously we don't put 123% into the calculator, so we need to turn that into a decimal. So we're going to start with our original value. So we got 125. I'm going to multiply that by, that's what it's called a multiplier. This is a decimal, so 123% is 1.23. So then on a calculator, you do 125 times 1.23, and you get 153.75. So 153.75 grams. Sorry, my pen's going a bit funny there. Right then. So that's, again, you don't need to do anything, no adding, no taking off. It's just add your percentage on and multiply. Hopefully my pen will look a bit better on this next example. Right, so increase 23.6 by 7%. So again, we have got, start off with 100%. That is the starting point for every question. We're increasing, so we add 7% on. That then leaves us with, that's what it looks like an add, 107%. So that is what our end value is going to be. It's going to be 107% of the starting value. So we have got 23.6 multiplied by 107% is 1.07. Now, if you struggle with any of the percentages to decimals, just divide by 100. Put that into your calculator, and you will get, so 23.6 times 1.07 gets you 25.252. And there you go. I think if we did that without a calculator, finding 7% of this number would be quite difficult. So using this method, get one calculation, nice and easy, hopefully. If we look at one that's a little bit different, which is a decrease, so the price of a TV is 18% off in a sale. The original price is £623.12. Find the new price. So again, really just asking you to decrease this number by 18%. So again, we start off with our starting value, which is 100%. And we are decreasing. So instead of with increase, we added to decrease, we minus 18%. And then that will equal, so 100 minus 18 gives us 82%. There we go. Remember, this is a multiply, so we always multiply. A lot of people think, oh, we're decreasing, so we divide. We don't. It's multiply. So then we get our value, 623.12 multiplied. Remember, 82% as a decimal. So remember, you can divide that by 100 if you're not sure. Would give you 0.82. And then, again, just put that into your calculator and it will decrease it for you. 623.12 times 0.82 gives me £510. And it's quite a few decimals, but because it's money, we always do it to 2 decimal places, 96. There we go. And that's it decreased for you. So just one more quick example. So decrease this one by 65%. So again, start with your 100%. Minus, because it's a decrease, 65 will leave you with 35%. Then 67.9 multiplied by 0.35. Remember, 35% is a decimal. And that will equal, so 67.9 times 0.35 gives you 23. Sorry, this pen doesn't like me doing threes. 23.765. And there you go. That's your answer. It's been decreased. So what I'd like to have a go at now is these questions here. So just using your pen, calculator, on your bit of paper, answer these questions. What I do now is pause the video now, because the answers will be coming up in a couple of seconds. So pause the video now, have a go at all these questions. Remember, the more you do, the more it'll stick in your head. And then pause the video now. And then hopefully you've all had a go at those questions. And these are your answers. So you can go through and mark your answers. Right then, hopefully you've done well on those. If you could send me a picture through email on the work you've done with it being marked, and so I can see that you've completed it, and hopefully you've done well on that.